guys, it's Julie, designer at the Quilted Cow, and today's tutorial is the Helpful Heifer Beach Bag. But first I'd like to thank my sponsors, Wilmington Fabrics, Creative Grid Rulers, and Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines. The Helpful Heifer Beach Bag is the perfect bag to take anywhere. It was designed to use at the beach for all the seashells and beach toys. Perfect for a little girl's purse. It's just the right size. I like to carry all of my daily needs in it. You can find it on our website at thequiltedcow.com or on our Facebook Lives on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. The kit is a complete kit. You can also purchase the pattern separately. The first step is you're going to fold in the long side 1/2 inch. Create a nice crease. And we're going to do the same for the other long side. You'll repeat that for your second fabric. And then you're going to fold your fabrics in half and press your center crease. Once you have your fabrics pressed, we're going to add our mesh. You'll open this back up and line your mesh right with your pressed seam, and then fold the other half over the top. Pin or clip it in place. I always find pins are best because mesh tends to get slippery when you're adding it to fabric. Once you have your pins in place, we're going to step to our machine and just run a top stitch right along this edge. And you'll repeat this for both ends of your mesh, adding the fabric to the ends. Once you have this completed, you're going to fold your bag in half, lining up your fabric edges and your mesh. You're going to pin or clip this in place. We're going to go to the machine and stitch down both sides, and then we will turn it the right side out and do a French seam. Once you've sewn down both sides of your bag, we're going to turn it wrong side out. And I always just finger press out the corners. You can use an iron if you'd like to give it a nice press. Mesh does like to melt if you use anything higher than a polyester setting on your iron, so make sure to turn them down. I always just wiggle my seams out, and then we're going to go right back in and do a French seam down both long sides. Once you have your French seams done, all your raw edges will be on the inside, nice and neat. It'll reduce all your fraying. Our next step after you have this completed is we're going to create the strap for this bag. You need to take your fabric that you have cut for your strap, and we're going to fold it in half and give it a press. Once you have that part done, we're going to fold our raw edges into the center. This will keep your strap nice and neat. We're going to fold it back in half again and press. Repeat this step all the way down your strap. Once your strap is pressed and all your raw edges are in the center, you can do a top stitch running along both long edges. Next, to attach your strap to your bag, we're going to fold our raw edges 1/2 inch and attach it to our bag. We're going to be using the box X stitch to make this extra secure. I picked one side of my bag and I'm going to add the straps on both corners. Let's step to our machine and do the box X. To do the box X, you first start with going across the top until you reach your other top stitch line. You will turn your bag and go diagonal to the bottom corner. Turn your bag, go back across the bottom to the top, or to the top stitch line. Turn your bag, and go back up to the top left corner. And then we're going to go all the way around and make the box, retracing the lines we did at the top and the bottom. We're going to repeat it on the same side for the other side of the strap. The last step is an optional step. If you would like to add Velcro to keep the top of your bag closed, you may do so at this stage. You just need to go to the center on the inside of your bag. I always go down about a 1/2 inch and sew it in a rectangle all around the edges. And then we'll repeat that for the other side of the Velcro on the other side of the bag. And that is how you make the Helpful Heifer beach bag. Super simple project, goes together quickly, and it's so cute. If you would like to order kits, you can get them on our Facebook Lives on Tuesday and Wednesday, or from our website at thequiltedcow.com. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, rulers, rotary cutters, and mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.